So now on with our awards presentations. It is now my great pleasure to introduce the Honorable Michael Chan, Minister of Citizenship, Immigration, and International Trade, to present the award for Life Sciences Company of the Year. Minister Chan was first elected to the Ontario Legislature in February 2007 by-election, re-elected in the general elections in 2007, 11, and 14. He has served continuously in the Ontario Cabinet as Minister of Revenue, Minister of Citizenship and Immigration, Minister of Tourism, Culture, and Sport, and Minister responsible for the 2015 Pan American Games. He currently serves as the Minister of Citizenship, Immigration, and International Trade, and as a member of the Education, Skills, and Economic Policy Cabinet Committee. He is a strong advocate at Queen's Park for accessible health care and has delivered on the Martin Scoville Hospital expansion redevelopment. Please join me in welcoming the Honorable Minister Chan.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Young Man. Yeah, that's transition, right? Well, thank you everyone. I want to follow up with my good friend in the Queen's Park, Minister Moretti, talk about the knocking on the door committee authority regarding this Metro Toronto Convention Center. I do not agree with you more that perhaps we need a more modern one, perhaps a bigger one. And I was the tourism minister before, so I kind of know the convention center a bit. It would be nice that perhaps one day you and I will knock on the door on Corey so that we can make some arrangement with him. That would be a good thing. And I for sure will come back. Hi everyone, delighted to be here. Ontario is an international hub for R&D and world-renowned the life sciences community and beyond. I'm pleased to join you tonight to recognize Ontario's world-class talent in the life sciences sector. Toronto's Profound Medical Corporation is a medical device company that has developed a unique and minimally invasive procedure to ablate a prostate gland in prostate cancer patients. A real-time MRI-guided ultrasound procedure. TULSA Pro ablates the whole gland from the inside out in a single session. This highly precise treatment method of prostate ablation is tailored to patient-specific anatomy and pathology, offering short treatment times and no morbidity. That means faster patient recovery. Profound's innovative and game-changing technology is transforming the standard of care and making a difference in the future of prostate health. So I'd like to call up Mr. Stephen Hyman, CEO of Profound Medical Corporation, to accept Life Sciences of Ontario 2020 Company of the Year Award.
Thank you, Mr. Chan, for a very gracious introduction. I want to start by first thanking LSO for this wonderful award. We're deeply honored at Profound, and on behalf of the team and all of our stakeholders, we want to say thank you for this recognition. I thought I'd just take a minute or two, perhaps, to just give a little bit of reflection on how we got there and where we're going. A few years ago, I was invited to lunch by a gentleman named Damien Lamb. He started me off on a journey by sitting down and saying, "Steve, let me tell you about this little company called Profound Medical. They've got something that's going to be really big." You know, I always introduced Profound Medical as a huge company in its infancy. And it started that day where I met this small company, indeed starting to do something incredible. It wasn't long after that, after being invited to the board of directors, that I got to go over to Sunnybrook Hospital and actually watch for myself how this technology was used. And with millimeter precision, in under 40 minutes, with real-time MR imaging, this technology performed a prostatectomy with heat instead of scalpel, instead of radiation, and performed a new groundbreaking procedure. I was impressed. I drank the Kool-Aid, and then I scheduled a lunch of my own. I had lunch with Goldie Singh, our Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, and 4 weeks after I arrived, she became my first hire. A few weeks after that, I hired Ron Kurtz, our VP of Engineering, and he joined the team. And since then, we've been growing that team steadily, adding rock star after rock star to build a high-performance team that has now brought us to where we are today. This last year has been a very action-packed year. Indeed, it's been transformational. Last June, we raised about $28 million. We transitioned the company to become a public entity, and we are now ready to push forward to commercialize this very novel, unique, and groundbreaking technology. We couldn't do it without a lot of support from our stakeholders. Along the way, we've had key people, key organizations, key stakeholders like BBC, key partners who have given us a vote of confidence to help us get where we've managed to come. So I want to thank David for that lunch again and bringing us along. Our goal is to bring a novel, groundbreaking technology and indeed change the face of men's health care, to give men a choice that would lower morbidity, lower costs, and provide better clinical outcomes for men afflicted with prostate cancer. So